Hello everyone. It's been a long time since the previous forecast, and we are looking at NEPSE and how it is going to perform in the coming months, and so on. Looking back at the data, it has been almost 3 years that we were in a downtrend, right? Downtrend, and it's been almost like 2 years that we are in a consolidation. Okay, from looking at the standpoint of price action, no reversals can happen from a consolidation, right? We cannot reverse directly from a consolidation. We need to take these lows out, right? What is here below this low? Sell stops, people's stop loss, right? Market maker, what they have to do is they have to panic these retailers that have been buying the support, selling the resistance, and so on, right? If the price starts going down, closing below like 1800s, people will panic. There should be some kind of news that favor this decision. Market should fall at least 50 to 70 points below this, right? To indulge panic. People should be panicking. They should be exiting their positions. Facebook posts should be bearish. They should be telling 1600s, 1500s, 1400s for that to come across, right? So my play here is I'm not trading these ranges, right? Because ranges can sometimes really take you out really quick. Stocks aren't just playing with NEPSE, some are already traveling upwards. So, but still, I haven't made any entry position yet. I'm still waiting for market to come below 1800s, right? And that's where I will load my money up, because if I trade between these ranges, it would just be me spending my mental capacity, right? My mental capital. I need to preserve my mental capital so I can buy below these lows, right? All right, give me a moment. Okay, so back at it again. All right, continuing. So yeah, I'm looking for buys below this, right? So you have structured traders and retail money. I'm retail as well, but like the new money in it, the ones that enter really new, that learn supply and demand and all that stuff. Once they see a breakout above this, even with a thick bullish candle, they will enter. What price do is like this. It'll be a thick bullish candle like this, and price will start reversing. They will add more around the retest, and it will continue falling. So we have two scenarios right now. Price can still trade above, like generate some, uh, average traders that would be stuck in these highs, that wouldn't have enough money to load above this or enough confidence to buy below this, right? So it can be a possibility. And right now, I'm not interested in anything, right? We do have sequential SMT between these, right? Q3 and Q4. I wouldn't reveal what I'm telling, but know that this is not a good pattern, right? Price seems to fall below here. And between these quarters, the Q4 of this to 2080, this right here is in sequential SMT as well. I wouldn't go in much detail about this, but just know that it doesn't go for the market, right? So my forecast is this year has been literally consolidating 2024, and yeah, next year, let's say 2081, I want price below these lows ranging, right? It can range for a short period of time, and as it ranges, I will continue to load up my money, right? There would be extreme bad news below these prices. There would be everything that you wouldn't have thought about. NRB issuing some negative policies and political instability and everything below these. And this is where people would be afraid to load up their money, right? But this is where we have to be confident enough to load our money with proper risk management. You can't load up all your savings in it, right? So this is my play for the month, or let's say upcoming market. I'm bullish, but only below these levels, right? Range below, range above. And what I'm anticipating is when price starts to range below this, or can immediately reverse, right? Because price cannot reverse from a consolidation, and we need a manipulation. That's manipulation below these lows. I need a range, or even if it doesn't range, if price once starts going up, acting up, the range 2600, it's immediate. Price wouldn't take much time to reach 2600. That's like 56% market index jump, around 1000 points. That will be immediate. That wouldn't take much time. So do me a favor, and if you're in this market, please not trade in these highs and these lows, the consolidation. You're just gonna waste your mental capacity, and while price comes here, you won't have enough confidence or capital to buy. So just stop trading, do whatever you want, learn the skill, do something you love, but just don't get stuck in these ranges, because even if you trade and you wouldn't want to do stop loss, you will stop above here, because that will make you afraid. There will be negative news and everything. So just do um, anything but trading between these ranges, right? The goal is to capitalize below these prices and hold until 2600 blindly. You don't need to sell one stock. You can hold as much as you want until 2600, and after that we can make another forecast or we can see. But for now, just don't trade above in these ranges. Wait for price to break below this, and even if it breaks above this, please just don't indulge your capital. It's gonna hurt you, and it's gonna hurt you really bad, because once it goes above, it's gonna come down so fast that you don't have time to stop loss, neither the energy, neither the mental capacity. So that's my forecast. I hope you all have a lovely trading year, and see you. Good love and good trading.